The beautiful Singapore.
Let me take you to my Singapore Nature Treks and Sightseeing. Hi, and welcome to Mangrex TV. The sound of the waves arriving rhythmically to the shore. The obvious affluence of the place. It is a magical mix that makes you wonder how people ended up here. With vast riches and possibly major influences in the society. Sentosa grounds. A glorious sight full of spectacle and marvelous structures. The upper strata, the elite, and the atas, commingling, living, and showing the world what is possible and what can be achieved. Let's enjoy the rest of my videos, shall we? Gentle reminder, please don't forget to subscribe to Mangrex TV. There you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mangrex TV for more awesome videos like these. See you around.